creature humming. Like keys clicking. Yeah. Evtech research group. Workshop energy. Let's build.
When I say great day, you say?
Great day!
I'm David Vinerva, one of the product developers at Evtech Research Group. So yeah, we've been going to a lot of different universities. We're teaching, doing seminars, workshops. We are going to do what? A 3D designing, modeling, and printing workshop.
Measure twice, design it right. Coding through the day and night. Every layer stacking tall. From a spark we build it all. Nozzle moving side to side. Precision is our pride. Filament flowing smooth. Innovation in the groove. Focus mode, locked in tight. Blueprint dreams, taking flight.
How was your experience in today's workshop?
My experience in the workshop is napakasaya dahil natuto kami on how to 3D print from scratch kasi no learnings talaga kami pagdating sa 3D printing. So we're very grateful. Meron kaming natutunan about 3D printing at magagamit namin yon sa darating na panahon.
Mahirap siya sa una, pero kapag nalalaman na yung mga details and yung gamit ng Fusion sa 3D is sobrang saya kasi hindi lang siya paggagawa ng mga kitchen, magamit din siya sa pag 3D model ng mga bagay-bagay na pwede mong gawin in the future.
Sobrang saya talaga din. Also, full of excitement kasi halos this is my first time making this 3D modeling. Then also, dahil nga sir sa pagtuturo mo sir, mas may knowledge kaming natutunan sobra.
On how to do the basics of 3D modeling.
Fun, and there's a lot of things here na daming nalaman, and dami din things na about the 3D na nagawa, na-create, lalo-lalo na yung mga basic part of that 3D printing. And tapos hinayaan mo kami gumawa ng sarili namin mga models.
May gusto ka pa sabihin?
Nagpapasalamat kami kay Sir Earl dahil pinubaydan niya kami ng 3D printer. Saka nagpapasalamat din kami kay Sir David sa pagtuturo at sa mga bagay na mapadali yung pag-3D design, 3D modeling at saka 3D printing.
Masaya?
Yes sir!
Masaya. Marami natutuhan?
Yes sir!
That's all for today! And again, we are the interns here at Evtech Research Group.
And as always,
Keep learning and have fun!